Jio and Facebook deal. Facebook announced a $5.7 billion or 43,574 crore investment in Jio Platform Limited, a part of Reliance Industry Limited, making Facebook its largest minority shareholder. The Facebook founder, Mark Zuckerberg, stated that we are committed to connecting more people in India together with Jio. The Facebook founder is attracted by the dramatic transformation that Jio achieved in the country by covering more than 388 million people online through its geo-communication in the last 4 years. India is one of the most dynamic socially, economically and digitally transforming country in the last 4 years. Being the seventh largest country by geographical area and second biggest population nation in the world, currently India has 560 million internet users. It means there is still around 60% of the population that is not yet covered under the internet and they never consumed any online products yet. Considering this, recently Amazon declared to invest $5 billion in the country, and in the past Walmart purchased India's biggest e-commerce platform Flipkart for $16 billion in 2018. And now it's time for Facebook to invest in India by joining hands with India's most reliable and popular Reliance groups, and this trend continues. And still there are so many companies to encash this opportunity by investing in India. India consists of both organized and unorganized business throughout the nation. There are around more than 60 million small businesses across India. These accounts major portion of jobs in the country and forms the heart and soul of rural and urban communities. This deal opens up new opportunities and connects people from distant places to establish their business in an online platform and also lessen the digital divide in the country. It brings JioMart and WhatsApp together, enable people to connect with nearby retail shops through online platforms and get products at less time. The founder Mark Zuckerberg is interested to encash his WhatsApp and Facebook, which are so ingrained in India, and brings together friends family into a single digital hub. They recently added Instagram, one of the subsidiary of Facebook, is doing well in finding people interest and passions. In recent quarters, Facebook has started to take interest in Indian startups. Last year, the Facebook made an investment in social e-commerce Meesho, and earlier this year, it wrote a check to a tech startup company Unacademy, and it invested around $15 million in each of these two startups. The Jio platform deal is Facebook's second largest investment outside the companies behind its $22 billion acquisition of WhatsApp in 2014. Jio deal is the second largest foreign direct investment in Indian telecommunication industry till date. Currently, Jio has more than 370 million subscribers and there are more than 400 million WhatsApp users and Facebook users in India. The collaboration between Jio, Reliance Smart with newly added Facebook may help in reaching those wide-based customers. Regarding this, Mukesh Ambani in his speech mentioned that JioMart and WhatsApp will enable 30 million neighborhood stores, that is Kirana, to transact digitally in near future. This enables all of us that we can order and get faster delivery of day-to-day items from nearby local shops. And at the same time, small kiranas can grow their business and create a new employment opportunities. As we know already, Mark Zuckerberg acquired WhatsApp and Instagram. Now he is testing his luck in e-commerce. Facebook is a digital-based company that is not interested in setting up warehouses like Walmart or Amazon. The Facebook main focus is the digital audience, and in that sector, the majority competitor to Facebook is China-based company TikTok. TikTok currently has 250 million users in India alone, and it's planning to expand to 100 million more in the upcoming years. Whereas Reliance has its own network through the country interested to develop its own e-commerce platform to encounter Flipkart and Amazon. This initiative of Reliance will be a major setback to many e-commerce companies in India. So deal is like mutually interested and provides win-win position for both Jio and Facebook in longer run. And also in recent period, there is an issue around the data localization and fake news spreading in the WhatsApp and Facebook. In this regard, the government has taken serious actions against Facebook and the government did not approve WhatsApp-based UPI platform in India. This may provoke the Mark Zuckerberg to invest in India by collaborating with Mukesh Ambani, who is very close with the current government. All this seems like the carrot and stick method played by the government against multinational companies. Many industries like Anand Mahindra praised Mukesh Ambani's deal with the Facebook in the middle of the coronavirus pandemic, and they said that deal is the manifest to the world and the global economy is turning towards India. Whereas few people criticized the deal saying that Airtel is a part of Singtel, a Singapore-based company, and the Vodafone is a British-based company, and now it's Jio sharing its 10% of the stake to Facebook. So the whole telecom industry is owned and controlled by foreign entities. Overall, this deal is going to change Indian digital and retail business into a totally different level in few years, and it may help to cover unorganized sector and retail shopkeepers into a single platform.